Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I'm talking about Easy1Up. This is one of the businesses I've been in for about a year now, and with Easy1Up what you're getting is online business training where you learn how to start and grow your own online business. And there's several different product levels within Easy1Up. Okay, so it ranges from, you can get started for as little as $25 one-time payment plus a $5 admin fee for a total of $30. And that's all you pay. There are no monthly payments in this, okay? So it ranges from $25 for Elevation all the way to $2,000 for Vertex Live. And you can purchase whichever product level that you feel comfortable with, okay? And obviously, the higher the product level that you purchase, the more advanced training you're going to get. But let me just describe to you exactly what you're going to get in all of these packages. The first product package is called Elevation. This is their most affordable course. Like I said, it's $25 plus a $5 admin fee. This course dives deep into how to network your way to success and even into some social media lead generation. So it deals with both affiliate marketing and online network marketing. Okay, how to do network marketing the new way instead of the old way where you had to invite people to meetings and do like three-way phone calls and all that stuff. Now people are doing network marketing online, so you have to use different tactics for that, okay? So in this day and age, it is widely known how important it is to be able to generate leads online consistently, and that's what Elevation will teach you. Elevation Elite is $100 one-time payment plus a $10 admin fee that is paid to the company, okay? In this next level, after the lowest level, which was Elevation, this Elevation Elite goes deeper into the video aspect of marketing, such as YouTube and Udemy. Okay, I think that's how you pronounce it, Udemy. You'll learn a lot about what you can do with video to drive more sales into your business. And you'll notice that most of the social networks now are really driving video right now because it is vital when it comes to getting your content out to your target market. Facebook is really big on this. They love Facebook Lives. So in this Elevation Elite, you're going to learn how to do Facebook Lives. You're going to learn how to do YouTube Lives and that sort of thing, okay? Now the next level is Vertex. Vertex is $250 one-time payment, and there is a $25 admin fee paid directly to the company, okay? Now the Vertex course is their in-depth course that dives into many different areas, but the primary focus is on affiliate marketing. You'll learn how to sell a product that someone else created for a commission. That's basically what affiliate marketing is. You're just promoting someone else's product. When someone uses your affiliate link to purchase that product, you receive a commission. Okay, not only does this course go into how you can be an affiliate for someone else, but you even get walked through how to launch your own product and attract affiliates for it, okay? The next level is called Vertex Elite. This is $500 one-time payment with a $50 admin fee. And this course, it dives into how to generate free traffic online. Now, by free traffic, what they're talking about is driving eyeballs, driving people to your offer without using paid advertising. Okay, another area that's covered in the course is drop shipping, which is how to sell a product and have another company handle all of the shipping for you. Okay, there's a lot of people who are Amazon sellers. Okay, they have Amazon fulfill the product for them. Okay, they just list it on Amazon. When someone purchases that product, Amazon fulfills the product for them. Or they do Shopify, where they have a product shipped from somewhere else. When someone purchases it, okay, they pay for the product and then they have the product shipped to the customer. That's drop shipping. So you'll learn about that along with free traffic strategies. Vertex Pro. Vertex Pro is $1,000 plus the $100 admin fee that's paid to the company. Okay, now in the Vertex Pro training, it offers hours of really powerful training on how to do Facebook paid marketing ads. Facebook paid marketing is one of the most inexpensive ways to start generating traffic to a website. It's both cheap and very targeted as a result of all of the information Facebook stores. This course is your opportunity to begin to tap into that market starting now. Okay? And the last product level, Vertex Live, is $2,000 with a $500 admin fee. The admin fee is a little larger for this because this is talking about live events, and it does cost money to put on live events. All right. Now, the Vertex Live training course, it offers 18 plus hours of quality, powerful training on assorted topics. It also includes 2 tickets to 1 live event at a future date. Live events have been showing to accelerate the business of the attendee. Okay, live events are really powerful to attend if you can, and with the Vertex Live level, you're going to get 2 free tickets to an event. So those are the product levels for Easy1Up. Now, let's talk about the compensation plan, because when you purchase a product level, you will be able to resell that product level and the ones below it and receive a 100% commission paid directly to you. Now, what that means is that, let me go over to the products here. What that means is if you come in at the elevation level, which is the lowest level, $25, when you introduce people to Easy1Up and they decide to purchase elevation, you're going to receive a 100% commission of $25 paid directly to you from that customer. Okay, now if you come in at a higher level, let's say elevation elite for $100, when someone joins Easy1Up using your affiliate link, you're going to receive a 100% commission if they purchase elevation or elevation elite. Okay, so basically what I'm saying here is that the higher product level that you purchase, then you get the resale rights to the product level that you purchased and the levels below it. So let's say you came in at Vertex Elite for $500. Not only do you get the product Vertex Elite for $500, you also get the products below it, Vertex, Elevation Elite, and Elevation included. Okay, it's included for free. So you're going to get all these products included for free when you come in at the Vertex Elite level for $500. But not only that, you get the resale rights to Vertex Elite and the products below it, Vertex, Elevation Elite, and Elevation. So when someone joins Easy1Up and purchases one of these product levels below or at the level that you joined, you're going to receive a 100% commission. Now, if someone uses your affiliate link to join Easy1Up and they purchase a product level above the product level that you joined, you're not going to receive a commission. I want to be perfectly transparent about that. So if you're at Vertex Elite and somebody uses your link to join Easy1Up at the Vertex Pro level for $1,000, you are not going to get that commission. Okay, so that's why I tell people come in at the highest level that you can so you don't miss out on any commissions. Okay, now this company is called Easy1Up. It has a 1-up structure to their affiliate commissions, which means that whatever level that you purchased, let's go back to the example of Vertex Elite for $500. Let's say that's where you came in at, $500. The first person that signs up using your affiliate link to purchase Vertex Elite at $500, you keep that commission. Okay, so that first commission at the $500 level, the level that you came in at, you keep that commission. The second person who purchases Vertex Elite at $500 level, which is the same level that you joined at, that second person gets passed up to your sponsor. Okay, and that is the only pass up in this program. There are no other pass ups. You only pass up the second sale at the level that you joined at. Okay, let me give you another example. Let's say you came in at Vertex for $250. The first person who joins you in Easy1Up at the Vertex level, you keep that commission, the entire $250. The second person who comes in and joins you in Easy1Up at the Vertex level, that second person's commission is going to pass up to your sponsor. Now the third person on who come in at the Vertex level, you get to keep all of those commissions. Okay? So the pass up only happens at the level that you joined. So if you're bringing in people who come in at the lower levels, you keep those commissions. Those commissions don't pass up at all. Okay? Just at the level that you joined, whichever level that may be. Okay? So again, come in at the highest level you can so you don't miss out on any commissions, and you'll be eligible to receive commissions on the lower levels. Okay? And then there's only one pass up. The second person who joins you at the level that you joined passes up to your sponsor, and then that's it. No more pass-ups. So that's basically how the compensation plan works for Easy1Up. Now, they do have a training video inside of Easy1Up in your dashboard. Once you join and choose a product level, it'll walk you through how to set up your system, how to accept payments. It's really easy to do. And I'm also here. If you join me, if you use my link and you join me on Easy1Up, I'm here to answer any questions that you may have about it. I do have a training video that also walks you through the back office if you need some additional help on that. Okay, so if you're ready to get started with Easy1Up, go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area. You'll get some more information about it, and then sign up. And once I receive confirmation that you've signed up and you've paid for a product level, I'll get in touch with you and offer you some more additional information. Okay, again, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.